single spark and lighting up the twin spark. The twin spark will
Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This video is coming after a long time, but that's because I have class from Monday to Thursday and I have assignments, so I have to complete those. So yes, very little time, and but in that time I don't forget that I have to ideate for my YouTube channel as well, so I'm not forgetting about what I'm doing here. This video I shot it a few days ago. The main part I shot it a few days ago, and the beginning and the end I'll be shooting it today. So yeah.
On a totally unrelated side note, Jugaad. Actually, the bike had fallen down. If you all have seen the last video, so this joint here broke, and this thing just falls out. So I put a rubber band, and it vibrates because there's no cushion. So I just put a rubber band to keep it tight.
So a lot of people out there, they think I'm a Bajaj fanboy because I keep pushing Bajaj as this product that is very, very desirable. I don't think it's desirable, but it's definitely very, very practical. And when I say practical, I mean that I should be able to see the numbers in the real world. Not in a vacuum, in the real world. When I use the product on a day-to-day basis, it should be able to deliver on those very numbers that you promised. So that's something I think Bajaj does very well. So therefore, fanboy. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a particular piece of technology that comes on all Bajaj bikes.
And this is the technology, the sticker, DTSi. So let's talk about it.
So the most important things you need to know about this piece of technology, there are two spark plugs in a combustion chamber, which work very much like two brains in a computer, two CPUs in a computer, two hands that a human can have. So basically the work can be done faster. If you see the diagram that's on your screen right now, you can see that there are two spark plugs which help in burning the air and fuel mixture faster and more completely compared to a single spark plug. So the next example, I'm going to take two pieces of paper. The paper is going to signify the charge of air and fuel. Then I'm going to use a lighter. The lighter will signify the ignition or the spark plug. Through this experiment, I'm going to show you how a twin spark is better than a single spark. It just smokes it. There's no competition. And this is what I say. They are numbers that work in the real world. So stay tuned and watch the experiment because it's really fiery. I actually mean it. It's fiery.
So we have the DTSi specimen here, and we have the single spark specimen here. DTSi obviously stands for digital twin spark ignition, or in triple spark it is digital triple spark ignition. So we light up the single spark, and lighting up the twin spark. The twin spark will obviously get burnt from two sides, not one. So you can see the DTSi has already burnt more than half of the paper, while the single spark is not even halfway there. The flame is much bigger on the DTSi, and you can see the DTSi almost done. And you can see how completely it's burnt. It's still burning completely, whereas this is really slow.
So not only is the twin spark burning the charge faster, it's also able to time its ignition. So in the example also, I burned the first flame first, and the second one was quite late. It was 2 or 3 seconds later. But despite that, it burns through the charge faster. So this is what DTSi engines do very well, because they're so electronically tuned that depending on the load, whether you're actually gunning it for top speed or you're really riding just in the city at slow speeds, or you have a heavy pillion, it can tune that spark plug ignition very well for better fuel economy. And that's why you'll see NS 200 NS versus a KTM 200. The NS will always return a better average than the KTM, even though they have more or less the same engine, but the main difference being the two spark plugs in the Bajaj versus the KTM. And sorry, the NS doesn't even have 2 spark plugs, it's 3 spark plugs. It's a triple spark, it's not a twin spark. So the the premium bikes of Bajaj have triple spark. So the RS 200 has a triple spark, the NS 200 has a triple spark. So whereas KTM comes with 1 spark, so that 1 spark is sparking, but that spark takes a very long time to get into the engine where it's actually burning the fuel and air mixture. Whereas the NS has 3 different points, it just ignites it really quickly. So speaking about disadvantages, the biggest disadvantage that a DTSi engine has is because it has 3 spark plugs, and because you're relying on 3 spark plugs for better combustion, or 2, because some of the DTSi engines have 2. The inherent cost value of that second spark plug or the other 2 spark plugs versus a bike like a KTM which has only a single spark plug. So if you take a KTM to the showroom and say change my spark plug, and if you take a NS 200, obviously you're going to end up paying for 2 more spark plugs. So that's the only cost disadvantage that I see with the DTSi technology. But then spark plugs don't fail that often, and even if they do, the time span is huge. In that time span, it's already given you such a good fuel economy result on everyday use. So I think the pros outweigh the cons when it comes to DTSi technology. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you didn't like it, if you have any constructive criticism, please put it down in the comments. Till then, I'm going to take my bike out for a spin. We need to get out for a bit. The sound, again, DTSi, so this part. See you in the next one, and ride hard, ride safe, like, share and subscribe. I'm looking at the statistics on my YouTube channel, and a lot of the people are watching the videos, they're not subscribed. So please subscribe if you like this video. If you make it even to 1 minute, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. It helps to know what's working and what's not working. So thanks, do that.